Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the process of linking Zoho Project with Zoho CRM, your go-to guide for 2025. First up, log into your Zoho CRM account. The reason we do this is to ensure that we have access to the necessary settings and data for the linking process. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Setup icon at the top right corner of your account page. Click on it to access the Zoho Apps and Add-ons section. This helps us because it's where we can find the option to integrate Zoho Project. Next, click on the Zoho Apps and Add-ons section and scroll down to find Zoho Project. Click on the Enable button next to it. Let me explain why this matters. This step initiates the integration process, allowing Zoho CRM to recognize and communicate with Zoho Project. After enabling Zoho Project, you will be prompted to confirm the integration. Click Yes to proceed. This is an essential step as it authorizes the connection between these two Zoho platforms. Once you've confirmed the integration, Zoho CRM will automatically link with Zoho Project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho's system is synchronizing the data and functionalities between the two platforms, allowing them to work together seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Zoho Project with Zoho CRM. To wrap up, integrating these two powerful Zoho platforms not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your project management and customer relationship management capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep exploring the endless possibilities that come with Zoho's suite of applications.